Artificial intelligence, a new dawn. The universe is full of wonders. We have explored distant galaxies and the secrets of the atom, but perhaps the most profound mystery lies closer to home, the human mind. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is our attempt to recreate this marvel. We are building machines that can learn, reason, and even create. Large language models are at the forefront of this revolution. These digital minds are trained on vast amounts of text data. They learn to understand and generate human language with astonishing fluency. Imagine a world where machines can converse like humans. They could help us write books, translate languages, and even compose music. This future is not far off. Large language models are already being used in creative and practical ways. They power chatbots, write articles, and even generate computer code. But how do these language models work? Let's delve into the fascinating world of AI and uncover the secrets of their creation. The making of a language model. Data is the key. To build a large language model, we need data and lots of it. Think of it like feeding a growing mind. The more information it receives, the more it learns and grows. These models feast on a digital buffet of text and code. Books, articles, websites, and even social media posts are all fair game. This vast collection of data is carefully curated and cleaned. Like a sculptor chipping away at a block of marble, we remove the impurities. Errors, duplicates, and irrelevant information are discarded. The remaining text is then transformed into a format that the model can understand. This process is crucial. The quality and diversity of the data directly impact the model's performance. A well-fed model trained on a balanced and comprehensive dataset will be more knowledgeable and capable. Training the giant algorithms and the need for speed. Now comes the real magic: training the model. Imagine a vast neural network, a digital brain with billions of interconnected nodes. This network is the heart of the language model. It learns by identifying patterns and relationships within the data. The training process involves feeding the model massive amounts of text. As it processes each word and sentence, it adjusts the strength of connections between its nodes. This is how the model learns the nuances of language, grammar, and even style. This process requires immense computational power. We are talking about supercomputers running for days, even weeks on end. The training process is like a marathon for the machine, pushing it to its limits. But the results are worth it. The model emerges from this digital crucible with a deep understanding of human language. Section 4. Language models in our world. From chatbots to code. Large language models are already transforming our world. They are the brains behind intelligent assistants like Siri and Alexa. They power chatbots that answer customer questions and provide support. But their potential goes far beyond these applications. In journalism, they assist in writing articles and generating news summaries. In education, they can create personalized learning experiences. The possibilities are truly limitless. These models can even generate different creative text formats like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, emails, letters, and answer your questions in an informative way. Imagine a future where AI collaborates with us in every aspect of our lives. From writing novels to designing buildings, the potential is awe-inspiring. Section 5. The double-edged sword. Navigating the risks of AI. With great power comes great responsibility. Large language models are powerful tools, and like any tool, they can be misused. One concern is the potential for bias. If the training data reflects existing societal biases, the model might inadvertently perpetuate them. Imagine a model trained on text data that contains gender stereotypes. It might then generate text that reinforces these harmful biases. Another risk is the spread of misinformation. These models can generate incredibly realistic and persuasive text even if it's factually incorrect. Imagine a model creating fake news articles or spreading propaganda. It's crucial that we develop safeguards to mitigate these risks. We need to ensure that these models are used ethically and responsibly. The future of AI depends on our ability to navigate these challenges wisely. Section 6. The road ahead. Language models shaping our future. The development of large language models is a pivotal moment in human history. We are on the cusp of a new era, one where AI will play an increasingly important role in our lives. Imagine a world where AI helps us solve complex problems like climate change and disease. Imagine AI collaborating with artists and musicians to create entirely new forms of art. The possibilities are as vast as the universe itself. But as we venture into this uncharted territory, we must proceed with caution and foresight. We must ensure that AI is developed and used for the benefit of all humankind. The future is in our hands. Let's use this incredible technology wisely to create a brighter future for ourselves and generations to come.